Today I'm going to show you how to change Google Maps to walking mode. This is super useful when you need walking directions instead of driving routes, whether you're exploring a new city on foot or just planning a quick stroll to a nearby cafe. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you straight to the Google Maps homepage where you can start planning your route. Once you're on the page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a search bar sitting right there. This is where you'll enter your destination. Go ahead and type in the location where you want to go. It could be an address, a business name, or even a landmark. After typing it in, you'll see an option that says Directions. Click on it to move forward. Now, still on the left side, you'll see a field appear where you can input your starting point. This is where your journey begins. Type in the address or location you're starting from. It might autofill with your current location if you have location services enabled, but you can always change it to wherever you prefer. After entering both locations, give it a moment to process. The map will calculate and display the route for you. You might need to wait a few seconds while it loads, especially if you're working with a slower connection or a complex route. Once the route appears, take a look at the left side again. By default, Google Maps will show you the driving route, which is indicated by a car icon. This is the standard mode, but it's not what we need right now. Right next to the car icon, you'll see a walking human icon. Click on it. This simple action switches the entire route from driving to walking mode. The map will immediately recalculate the route to show you pedestrian-friendly paths, sidewalks, and shortcuts that cars can't take. You'll also notice the estimated time changes to reflect walking speed instead of driving speed. And that's it. You've successfully changed Google Maps to walking mode. Now you can see exactly how long it'll take to walk to your destination and which paths to follow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.